You're not imagining it. Your hairline is receding, your crown is thinning, and every time you look in the mirror, you're wondering, is this the beginning of baldness? But what if I told you? Some hair loss is preventable, some treatments are wasting your time, and most of what you've heard is a myth. Let's separate truth from lies and help you take control of your hair once and for all. 2-point loop. What you'll learn. In this video, we'll uncover checkmark, the real causes of hair loss in men. Checkmark myths that you must stop believing. Checkmark, what treatments work and what's total. BS checkmark, natural tips, medical options, and a daily hair routine that can help stay tuned. You might just save your hair. 3. Connection points. Let me guess. You've noticed more hair on your pillow, more scalp in your selfies, less volume, more panic. I've been there, and you're not alone. By age 35, 2/3 of men will experience some form of hair loss. By 50, it's up to 85%. But here's the thing. Losing your hair doesn't have to mean losing your confidence. Let's take a deep dive and see what's really going on up there. 4th secondary. Hook. The shocking truth. Here's the truth. Most men start treating hair loss way too late. They try shampoos after the follicles are already gone. They blame stress when it's their genes, hormones, or habits. But here's the good news. The earlier you understand what's happening, the better your chances of keeping, or even regrowing, your hair. The real causes of hair loss in men. There are 4 major causes of hair loss in men. 1. Genetics, androgenetic alopecia, also known as male pattern baldness, caused by DHT, a hormone made from testosterone. Shrinks hair follicles. Hair becomes thinner, then stops growing, runs in families. If your dad or grandfather went bald early, it's more likely for you too. 2. Hormones and aging. As you get older, hormone levels shift. Testosterone drops, DHT increases. Hair starts to fall out faster than it grows. 3. Lifestyle and nutrition. Bad diet equals weak hair. Low protein, low iron, or vitamin D deficiency can trigger hair thinning. Stress, lack of sleep, alcohol, and smoking also speed up hair loss. 4. Health conditions or medication. Thyroid problems, autoimmune diseases, or medications like antidepressants and blood pressure pills can cause sudden hair shedding. Hair loss. Myths. You must stop believing. Let's bust some common myths. Myth 1. Wearing hats causes baldness. Wrong. Hats do not affect hair follicles. Myth 2. Masturbation causes hair loss. Nope. There's zero scientific evidence. That's an old myth. Myth 3. Shampooing too often causes baldness. Number. Shampoo removes oil and dirt. It doesn't reach the follicles below the scalp. Myth 4. Hair loss only comes from your mom's side. False. Genetics from both sides of the family affect hair loss. Myth 5. Natural oils can regrow hair. Some oils help scalp health, but they can't regrow lost hair alone. Stop blaming the wrong things and focus on science-backed solutions. Treatments. That work and what doesn't. Let's talk about what actually helps and what's a waste of money. FDA-approved treatments. 1-minoxidil Rogaine. Over-the-counter topical solution boosts blood flow to follicles. Works best on thinning, not bald spots. Use twice a day. Results take 3 to 6 months. 2. Finasteride, Propecia. Prescription pill blocks, DHT, the hormone causing baldness. Slows or even reverses hair loss in many men. Side effects lower libido. In some cases, what doesn't work or has no proof. Biotin only helps if you're 40, deficient. Hair vitamins with no clinical backing, laser combs, limited proof, very expensive. Snake oils and influencer shampoos. Warning, don't wait too long. Once a hair follicle dies, it can't grow back. Natural and lifestyle solutions. Want to support your hair the natural way? Here's how to slow loss and support regrowth naturally. 1. Diet for hair. Health protein, eggs, fish, lentils, iron, spinach, red meat. Omega-3, salmon, flaxseed, zinc and biotin, pumpkin seeds, nuts. 2. Scalp massage, increases circulation and reduces tension. Use oils like rosemary, peppermint, or coconut. 3. Manage stress. Try meditation, breathing, or even short walks. Cortisol, stress hormone, damages hair. 4. Sleep. Well, hair grows at night. Poor sleep, wash, poor growth. 5. DHT blocking. Foods, green tea, pumpkin seed oil, saw palmetto. All may help lower DHT naturally. When to see a doctor or specialist. If your hair loss is rapid and patchy, coming with other health issues causing stress or depression, it's time to see a dermatologist or hair specialist. They can test hormones, blood levels, scalp conditions. The sooner you act, the more you can save. The daily hair routine that helps. Try this simple daily routine. Morning, take DHT blocker if prescribed. Use minoxidil if approved. Eat protein-rich breakfast. Light scalp. Massage 1 to 2 minutes. Evening. Cleanse scalp, gentle shampoo. Apply oils or hair serum, optional. Meditate, hair stretch. Before sleep. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Consistency matters more than expensive products. So, now you know what causes hair loss, what's real and what's myth, and what you can start doing today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for weekly men's health content. Drop a comment. When did you first notice hair loss? And what have you tried so far? Let's talk in the comments and grow together.